Two from West U has a question about a leaking window.
It's in his kitchen in this condo that he's living in. He says, we just moved into our 3-story stucco townhome with a 4th-story deck in March. I bet that's nice, having that starry deck up on top.
Yeah, it scares me because that's my roof, too. Walking on the roof.
But it's true.
Okay, so that's the practical side.
But they looked around and found this in the window. He says the paint is peeling above the kitchen window on the left side, water damage as well down the side of it. And he says we had a roofer out, but they think the windows may not have been properly sealed. And the water's not leaking significantly, but it's a steady enough stream that it's causing that damage. So what's your advice for 2?
Well, somebody's going to have to get up there and look at it and fix it. I don't know what story is on, the first story, second story?
That one's on the second story.
Second story? I mean, it still could be coming from the top all the way down through the walls, but it's probably around the windows. And if that's the case, you'd have to have someone come out and take apart the window and see how it's sealed behind there. And it's not just the window might be fine if it's not leaking on the inside. Mm-hmm. It's around the trim and stuff that probably needs some caulking and things. So being that it's outside, it could be a caulking issue. I'd call Rudy's Quality Painting to see if they can re-caulk those windows and seal the trim so the water's not getting behind the trim. Because that's what it looks like. It doesn't look like the window's leaking to the inside. It looks like it's a trim issue.
Once again, one of our Home Show pros. You find them all at HomeShowRadio.com. That's where you can send us your questions, too. Visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom form, and send us your question. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.